Georgia's vibrant multicultural landscape was on full display as the India-American Cultural Association presented the 6th Annual Rhythms of India at Berkmar High School in Georgia. The event brought together some of Atlanta's most prestigious dance academies in a celebration of India's rich cultural heritage through movement, music and color. IACA is a volunteer-run non-political organization with deep roots in the local Atlanta Indian community. It aims to preserve and promote cultural, charitable, educational and literary activities in the state of Georgia. Audiences were treated to an evening of mesmerizing performances rooted in Indian classical dance traditions, showcasing the depth, diversity and timelessness of these art forms. Each act brought it with a unique regional flavor, from the graceful expressions of Bharatanatyam to the rhythmic footwork of Kathak, allowing attendees to experience the profound cultural narratives woven into every step and gesture. Beyond the showcase of classical and contemporary Indian dance, the event held special significance this year as it marked the centennial celebration of legendary Indian cinema icon Raj Kapoor. In a dazzling segment, performers paid homage to Kapoor's immense contributions to Indian film with a theatrical and musical tribute that reimagined scenes from his most iconic works. Through carefully choreographed sequences and a carefully curated soundtrack, the tribute captured the spirit of the greatest showman of Indian cinema's storytelling, charm and cinematic vision.
Today's program, we have classical dances because classical dances is the soul of Rhythms of India. And we have a very special feature this year. We are giving tribute to 100 years of the greatest showman of Indian cinema, Raj Kapoor.
Welcome to the 6th Rhythms of India. A mesmerizing auditory experience is awaiting for all of you. It's under one roof, a great display of different genres of music and dance forms of India. The community is waiting for this all through the year, and it's going to be a great show.
Rhythms of India is such a great talent bringing into our cultural show into IACA. This has been going for a few years, and every child shows their talents, and we are very, very, very happy that all of them are here today to show their talents. God bless them all.
The event not only highlighted the talent and dedication of local performers, but also reaffirmed the IACA's role in preserving and promoting Indian cultural arts in the United States. As the curtains closed, the resounding applause reflected the community's appreciation for both the legacy of Indian tradition and its continued resonance across generations and borders.
Well,
That's all for today. Please follow TV Asia on Instagram and Facebook. And if you want any events in your neighborhood covered on Community Roundup, please do email us at info@tvasiausa.com. Or you can also call us at 732-650-1100. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care.